Are you ready to start making money online? Are you ready to start making money at the comfort of your home? Do you need to get out of bed for you to make money when you have smartphone? No, hold on. Most of you have been asking, how do I make money with a smartphone? And there are different ways. I've given you a lot of niches on how to make money. As you can see this spray, I'm not saying that you are going to sell a spray online, but you can sell it indirectly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell indirectly and directly this spray. And I'm going to use this spray. The name is called a White Inspiration, and this is from Vinzin Perfumes. This is a disclaimer. I'm not marketing. There's no partnership. In fact, I'm not giving money for this advert. I'm only showing you how you can specialize in this type of niche. Which niche is this? This niche, should I call it analysis of the items? And you can also choose which type of field do you want to do your analysis and recommendations, or you want to talk about products is concerned. This is one of the rich niche that if you're there and you're vocal, you can talk, you can convince people, or you cannot convince people. You can tell the truth about the product. You'll be there and you'll get very many brand deals as far as this niche is concerned. And apart from getting brands, you can get AdSense from it. Like this video, before I start, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not saying the moment you do such videos, you're going to become a millionaire. No, I'm not telling you that you're going to get money by the way. I'm only giving you a hint of what the 1 to 2% people are using at the comfort of their homes, irrespective of where you are. You don't need an office, and they're making a living. So just go do research. If you feel you can do it, you can do it. The time, I'm just taking my first tea. This is organic tea, and I felt why not really share with you this. This video is not edited, and to my engagers, to my top fans, followers, I love you so much. So one of the greatest niche, high paid niche as far as CPM and RPM is concerned is this niche, the niche of you can look for it a name, but me, I'll call it, it's not reaction, but it is product analysis. This is how I'll call it, doing analysis as far as products is concerned. And get to know this. If you're going to do this niche, I would want you to know two things. You will need to know features, then you need to know the benefits. The features, you can see them, they can be tangible, they can be seen, they can be touched. And for benefits, it's out of it. Now the first benefit of this spray that you can see, from the time I sprayed it on my body, can you see it's a bit oily? And there's an advantage of oily perfumes. It is oil based. So meaning that any spray that has that is oil based, you guys, it stays long. I used this one. I have a lot of them. I have even a 1 million perfume here, 1 million Ugandan perfume. I have one of the best perfume and many others. But these ones, I wanted to show you that the difference between this and others. One of the benefit, now teaching in progress. I'm not selling this one, I'm only teaching you. So let's start from the packaging. You guys, the packaging is so superb that it is so protective and it is so lovely. You can see how packaged it is. So even if you want to travel with it, it will be perfect. Like for any problem, it will not get broken. No. The packaging is very strong It is made of 2 layers. If you see, there's the first layer here inside. By the way, it is made of 3 layers, not 2 layers. The packaging. You see, there's this, the first one, which holds the perfume. It holds the perfume inside. Then there's another one that is guarding it, like this. Then the third one, which is so attractive, and it has instructions on it. What is in this perfume? This perfume, before we go to the ingredients, you can see how portable it is. It is not bulky. I'll compare it with another one, but I'll touch the brand. If you see this one is easy. It can be pocket friendly. You can put it in your pockets, you can put it in your bag, you can put it in your handbag for ladies. And surprisingly, this one is for men. If you go to see, even when it has a cover, the cover is appealing. It is very nice. And also, the branding is easier to be seen. Remember, I said this is for teaching purposes. It is not, I'm not really campaigning for the spray. So when we talk about now the inside ingredient, you guys, it is oil based. Now, what are the benefits of the sprays that are oil based? The benefits of sprays that are oil based are not one time, like one time perfumes or sprays. You know, there's a spray you'll spray from within the house or wherever you've sprayed from. You'll feel the aroma, you'll feel that nice one, your scent you desire. But the moment you leave that place, it's finished. It will never be in the cloth, nowhere. But this one, being in oil based, you guys, you will spray it today in your cloth. You'll find it at the end of the day, it's there. So it's like a 24-hour. Even if you wash, you'll find it there. And more to that, it is 50 mils. And when we come to go, you guys get to know that this spray, you're not supposed to put it in the eyes. It has all instructions. And the one I love most is the percentage of the perfume, fragrance, and alcohol, water. These are the ingredients that are there. There is fragrance, alcohol, aqua, there is water, and there is oil. The good thing is the oil base is more. So I felt like I come to you and show you that anything you can do an content out of it. And I will not stop only on this. I can do a post on it. Then you might say that you've used perfume. It's not only perfume. It's not only spray. You can use this cup. Everybody in the home, you have cup. And I'm very sure you always buy, there's something that makes you get a step to buy that cup, to buy that utensil, that plate. So this cup is made of bone china. How do you know that it is bone china? You check from down. And there are some qualities, some features and benefits of a bone china. Bone china is the ingredient. You can see I can use it on a daily basis. Though it looks shiny, it is not that shiny. This cup, I can put it in a microwave. I can put it in a dishwasher. I can put it in the freezer. So it is something that you can use it on a daily basis. And at the same time, it is very good for guests. So the video is done. And if you are someone who is looking up to like brand deals, people who sell cups, people who sell mugs, people who sell porcelain, bone china, and other ceramic will look for you. So this is the simplest way you can make money even when you're at home. You don't need to travel, you need to go. The only thing is to know the concept of what content creation is. See you in another video.